Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Aslam Ali Hindi and you are learning Solidworks 2018. So today we are going to learn the arc, different kinds of arcs. So there are three kinds of arcs. The first one is a center point arc, which is controlled by its center, just like the first circle, the base circle, which is controlled by its center. So proceeding with it, we have to first click for its center, and then we can drag the cursor out to see the circle along with this arc can be made. So clicking for the second point here, and you can see it is decreasing the length, and it is making the circle, the arc, as almost like a complete circle with some open area here. So if we want to make this arc move, for example, if we want that this arc should be from this point to this point, then we can move like this, and we can reach that point. So for example, we want to make an arc between these 2 points. So clicking here, the arc is made, pressing the escape button from the keyboard. Now we can give the radius of this arc using the smart dimension. By clicking on the body of this arc, we can input the dimension of the radius. This is the one thing. And when we click on the 2 ends of the arc, we can first of all, let me make some change to this arc. Yeah, now I can better explain you. Again, using the smart dimension, clicking on these 2 points, we can see we can set the least distance between these 2 points, or if we drag it like this or like this, we can input or reset the least distance between these 2 points on the vertical axis, or on the horizontal axis, or on the this is on the horizontal axis and this is on the vertical axis. So clicking like this, we can input this dimension, and then we may be more interested in the length of this arc. To create the length of this arc, we will be clicking on this point and then the second point, and then listen carefully, then we will be clicking on the body of this arc, or anywhere on the arc, extending it. Now you can see this is the length of the arc, and we can change this length like this, and we can also drag this point and place it anywhere, for example on the origin, and you can see this has turned blue, but its points are still the arc has turned into black, but its points are still in blue color, because we can change the location of these points, but the arc is almost fixed. So we can do it like this. So that's why the points are fixed. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, for example, I define the distance of this point from the center like this, the horizontal distance. So you can see that these points has turned black. Now it is fully defined. If you try to drag it and place it anywhere, or try to change this arc, it won't be possible. So this was the first kind of arc, and then we'll be moving for the second arc, which is a tangent arc. To show you the tangent arc, I'm going to create a line. For example, this is the line. Now the tangent arc needs 2 points. This is the first point of the arc, and no matter how much is the radius of the arc, the arc would be tangent with this line. We can place it upward as well. So this is the second point, and we can create the arc like this. So this is the tangent arc. The third one is a 3-point arc, which is just similar to the perimeter circle, which is a 3-point control circle. So I'm making these 3 points, and I want to make an arc between the 3 points. So choosing for 3-point arc, this is the first point, this is the second point, and now this one is the third point. So this is our 3-point arc. Sorry, it is not behaving the way it should be. Retaking the arc. This is the first point, for example, this is the second point, and for example, this is the third point, and we can click on this arc, press the control button from the keyboard, and then click on this point, and we can make a coincidence between them. But anyhow, it should behave the way it is showing itself. So this is the 3-point arc. So this one is for today. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.